Congratulations to the winner, very difficult race, and with the fight for the championship between other drivers. How do you feel today?
Obviously, I feel amazing. To win any Formula E race is extremely difficult. Yeah, it was an intense race. Honestly, when I got to fourth, I just didn't want to get involved with the championship fight. So I kind of kept my distance a bit. Things played out quite well. And yeah, amazing to be here as a winner.
Do you think that if Mitch not make a mistake with the attack mode, you can win the race, or
Yeah, I
more
think so,
difficult?
because I still would have took it on the time that he activated it the second time. They were also a bit lucky with the safety car, because had they activated it and came out, and I'd had to give the position back. But I think before that I was in the prime position to win as long as I was close.
And it's special to win it at home with the family.
Yeah, of course. It's. I've never had any luck at this track. If you look at my results, I've thrown away podiums and never just had any luck. So it's great to be able to finally have a little bit of luck as well.
Thank you very much, and congratulations again.